Men will do anything and everything to become more attractive, but all you actually need is two things: a simple box of baking soda and this video, an instruction guide on how to use it to look better. So today, I will show you 7 baking soda tricks that will make you more attractive and will change your life.
1. Never have acne again with baking soda. If you have acne, blackheads, or oily skin, all you need to do is use some baking soda to get rid of it forever. Before you drop any more cash on expensive skincare products, do me a favor and use this baking soda facial cleanser. So, to start, I need you to turn on your water lukewarm. We're gonna open up our pores, so to do that, make sure your water is lukewarm, and then with your hands, gently press it against your face like this. Once you're done here, I want you to grab about half a teaspoon of baking soda into your hand. Look, the reason baking soda works as a face cleanser is because it's made out of alkaline properties, which break down that oil on your face, which is the main factor causing your acne, blackheads, and oily skin. All right, so once you have this, you're gonna turn it into a paste, and then using circular motions, you're gonna rub it onto your face. Now, the cool thing about this, you're gonna feel it instantly, is that baking soda is also an exfoliator. So as I'm getting rid of the excess oil on my face, I'm also getting rid of all the dead skin on my face. Now, you have to be careful. Don't overdo this. This is a powerful technique. So if you have sensitive skin, don't do this more than once a week. If you have normal skin, you could do this about twice a week. And if you have really durable skin that's super oily, you can do it no more than 3 times a week. All you gotta do now is just wash it off.
Number 2, have the whitest teeth in the room with baking soda. To whiten your teeth, don't use whitening strips or go to a dentist. They work, but they're also expensive. You could do it for free with baking soda. And no, this is not just another TikTok trend. It's backed by science. You see, in a recent meta-analysis, they looked at a bunch of studies to see if baking soda actually worked at removing stains. The analysis found that baking soda-based dentifrices are more effective in stain removal and whitening than non-baking soda containing dentifrices with higher abrasivity. So yeah, it's pretty legit. So here's how you can use baking soda to whiten your teeth. Brush your teeth with regular toothpaste for the standard 2 minutes like you normally would. Then, right before you're finished, I want you to sprinkle a little bit of baking soda onto your toothbrush and start brushing your teeth for 30 seconds. But just like your skin, you don't want to overdo this. So here is a teeth color chart. And based on the color of your teeth, I want you to compare your color to this chart. This is how many times a week you should do it. If your teeth are between a 1 to 10 shade, you should only whiten your teeth like this once a month. For shades 11 to 16, you should whiten your teeth once every 2 weeks. And then for shades 16 to 20, bro, you should whiten your teeth at least once a week. Number 3, have hair like a model with baking soda. If you want your hair to look bigger and thicker, here are 3 baking soda hacks you can use right now. First, baking soda is great for cleaning your scalp. Its alkaline properties helps remove dead skin, which improves blood circulation. Both of these will lead to healthier and thicker hair. To get started, look in the mirror and check your hair for any areas with dry or flaky skin on your scalp. Once you've identified these spots, hop in the shower, take a tablespoon of baking soda, and massage it into your scalp, working specifically in your problem areas. What I like to do next is, once I'm done, I like to follow up with a product like Vitafoam, a hair growth formula from Growplex. It contains ingredients like 5% minoxidil and biotin, which are proven to boost hair growth. So when I combine these two, I'm not just cleaning my scalp and improving blood circulation, I'm also giving my scalp the nutrients it needs to keep my hair as thick and as dark as possible. You need to start this in your early 20s, because if your hair starts falling out and then you start taking action, you're gonna end up in Turkey, bro. Now, if you're just using baking soda and a hair growth formula, you're gonna see results, but you can actually take this up 1 notch with a massage technique. Studies have shown that a regular scalp massage can boost blood flow to your scalp, improving both thickness and growth. All you need is just to use your fingertips to massage that baking soda or the hair growth formula into your scalp for a good 5 minutes. And if you want to go even further, don't stop there. Use a derma roller. This one is from Growplex as well. This is a tiny tool with micro needles that purposely damage and puncture your skin. This forces your skin to start its cellular regeneration process, which produces more collagen, a protein that helps your hair grow faster and thicker. Bro, I am giving you the secret sauce to finally have thick and full hair. Now, while baking soda and these massage techniques and the derma roller, it'll get you amazing results using the right oils. It's gonna take care of your hair for the rest of your life. For example, argan oil is great for vitamin E. Castor oil is great for vitamin A. And coconut oil, it's rich in vitamin K. Just mix 1 tablespoon of any of these oils with your baking soda and you're good to go. Only downside is that your hair needs all 3 of these vitamins and no oil in the market contains all of them in one. So this is why taking a good vitamin every day is important, like the GrowPlex Vitamin Complex. This combines all the essential vitamins and nutrients your hair needs to grow, so you can take it daily. So now think about it. You're both giving your hair what it needs from the inside, while also stimulating the growth from the outside. This is a two-sided attack to give you the thickest and fullest hair possible. If I were you, I would run to GrowPlex, which I'm gonna have linked down below with a special code that's gonna make it insanely affordable. Start this routine now that you're young and just watch how your hair is gonna start growing faster and thicker than ever before. Don't just take my word for it. Go read those reviews, bro. There's a reason why I've been using minoxidil for the longest. You need to too. Click the link down below and check out GrowPlex. 4, always smell good with baking soda. Sometimes, no matter what you do, your armpits will smell terrible. So here's a simple trick you can do with baking soda to eliminate that forever. You will start by pouring 2 tablespoons of coconut oil inside a cup. Once you do, grab your cup and you're gonna place it in the microwave and lightly melt the coconut oil. So let it sit there for about 10 seconds. Once it's done, you're gonna mix in 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of flour. Now, remember earlier when I talked about baking soda being alkaline? That same alkaline property that prevents the acne also helps fight odor-causing bacteria in your armpits. Because here's the thing, the sweat doesn't actually stink. What stinks is the bacteria. So mix it all together, let it sit and dry for a bit, and now you got yourself a natural deodorant. You just apply a little bit under each arm every morning. You'll be good to go. 5, get lips that girls actually want to kiss. The most attractive lips on men have a 2-to-1 ratio of size from top to bottom. So here's how naturally you can increase the size of your top lip using baking soda to get to that ideal ratio. After you're done brushing your teeth in the morning, you can sprinkle a pinch of baking soda onto your toothbrush. But wait, don't you just brush your lips with baking soda alone. This is a rookie mistake. Baking soda itself, it's too harsh and will dry out your lips by stripping away its natural oils. Instead, you're gonna wanna add a little bit of oil, like jojoba oil. These oils are packed with vitamins, fatty acids, and antioxidants that hydrate, soothe, and protect your lips. Once you got your oil on your toothbrush, you will brush them gently for 20 seconds each lip. You do this every morning, and within a few days, your lips will look healthier, fuller, and softer, which will make you look more attractive. Number 6, clean out all of your equipment. Between every cut, you'll notice your barber places all of his equipment in a green solution. You've never wondered why? This is to prevent bacteria from transferring from one customer to another. It's a disinfectant. You need to do the same with all of your grooming equipment at least once a week. The good news, you don't need a specific solution as well. You can just use baking soda once a week. Grab all of your grooming tools, your toothbrush, your tweezers, your derma roller, anything that you use on your body. You're gonna grab them, put them on your kitchen counter, then grab a big container or a bowl, fill it with warm water, and add a few tablespoons of baking soda. Once the mixture is ready, place all your tools into that bowl and let it sit for 30 minutes. This simple step will remove all the bacteria from your tools and prevent any skin issues or acne breakouts. Number 7, get your skin tight with baking soda. All right, boys, it is time for you to upgrade your skin from this to this using nothing else other than a baking soda mask. All you're gonna do is mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of honey in a bowl. Mix it well until you have a thick paste and then apply it evenly on your face. Let it sit for about 10 minutes and then rinse it off with warm water. To finish, I want you to then dip your face into a bowl of cold icy water to tighten everything up. Just like that, you will have tighter, hydrated, and youthful skin to instantly look more attractive.